We'll guide you through how to use VS Code's Git integration effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Visual Studio Code and ensure you have Git installed on your computer. Once inside VS Code, navigate to the source control view by clicking on the third icon in the activity bar on the left side. This will open the source control panel. If you haven't initialized a repository yet, you'll see the option to initialize repository at the top. Click it, and this will create a new Git repository for your current project. Now, if you want to clone an existing repository, go to the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P and type git clone. Paste the repository URL when prompted, and select a folder where you'd like to clone the repository. After cloning, your repository will appear in the source control panel. To stage changes, simply click the plus icon next to the file name under the Changes section. This moves the file to the Stage Changes section. To commit your changes, type a commit message in the input box at the top of the source control panel, then click the checkmark icon above. To push your changes to the remote repository, click on the three-dot menu in the source control panel and select Push. If you need to pull changes from the remote repository, you can click the same three-dot menu and select Pull. This ensures your local repository is up to date with the remote one. For branching, click on the branch icon at the bottom left of the window to create, switch, or manage branches. Remember, integrating Git with VS Code streamlines your workflow and keeps your version control seamless. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.